जरा बात कर लेते हैं, कुछ ब्यूटी की बात करते हैं। व्हाट डू यू थिंक फैसल?
करें
हैं अच्छा
मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ कि करें।
लाहौर में भाई हुआ था मुकाबला हुस्न, और इसके जो ये इनिशिएटिव है जिसमें बहुत ही खूबसूरत और प्यारी लगने वाली मॉडल्स हैं, ऑब्वियसली वो पार्टिसिपेट करती हैं। इसमें बरतानवी नजात पाकिस्तानी मॉडल है मिया सदीक, और मिस पाकिस्तान वर्ल्ड 2025 का ताज इनको पहना दिया गया है और ये हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मिस पाकिस्तान वर्ल्ड। उनसे ज़रा बात कर लेते हैं और जान लेते हैं कि हाउ वाज द जर्नी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. So thank you so much for having me on the show today. मुझे यहाँ आकर बहुत खुशी हुई. I'm very excited to be here. मेरी उर्दू बात ठीक है. It's not
It's
the
okay.
best.
लेकिन क्या
Okay,
आपके लिए ये आसान होगा कि हम आपसे सवाल उर्दू में करें, और शुड वी कंटिन्यू इन इंग्लिश फिर?
Thank you. So obviously मैं इंग्लैंड में रहती हूँ, लेकिन मेरे अबू पाकिस्तान से है. He's from Jailam. So that's my Pakistani side of me. So I'm very excited to be here in Pakistan. It's my first time actually in Lahore, and it's been absolutely amazing. और यहाँ के लोग बहुत अच्छे, hospitable और kind थे. Everyone is so
And
amazing.
all the models are very much diet conscious. You're telling me you're in Lahore. Tell me a little about it. How are Lahorians leaving you alone for not giving you that
proper diet,
that carb-filled diet?
The diet.
Yeah, I'm talking about the Lahorians. The Lahoris are very, keen to feed their guests with good food. So have you had good food in Pakistan or Lahore?
Yes, I have. I've been fed very good food, and that's why I was actually excited to come to Pakistan. One of the many reasons. Obviously, in England, the only Pakistani food I get is from my auntie. I don't get the real Pakistani food in Pakistan, so it's been absolutely amazing, and it's so tasty,
Right.
and I love the spices.
Okay, Mia, when general public look at these beauty pageants, they just look at it as the models coming on the ramp, walking, giving answers to the jury and all. But as a participant, what does it mean to participate in such contests other than the beauty walks and all?
So, thank you. That is a really good question. And with pageants, a lot of people do think that it is just about beauty, but this is far from the truth. Within the beauty pageant, you must have an advocacy. You must want to raise awareness about a serious topic. You have to be a charitable person. You have to be a kind, intelligent person with a good education, good background. And for me personally, that is the reason that I love beauty pageants, is the advocating part of it, is the charity part of it. All my life I've really been part of charity anyway, especially in Pakistan, which can be a misconception that because I live in England that I only do charity over there, but this isn't true. With my dad, we are building a hospital in Pakistan.
Right.
We sponsor orphans in Pakistan, and this is from me being very young. We have wells built in the villages to provide clean water as well, and this is just a few things that I've already done without a title. So with the title of Miss Pakistan World, I'm going to be doing so much more and advocating more, raising more awareness about the issues that we have in Pakistan, and I'm very excited to do that.
All right. Lastly, I would like to ask, since you are yourself very beautiful, what does beauty means to you? And not only you, your name is also very beautiful. So what does the name Mia means?
So the word Mia is mine in Italian, and I actually have a very long name, and so that was chosen by my parents.
Nice.
It means mine. So it's very short, it's a pretty name, and I think it suits me. And the word beauty, to me, beauty is about who you are on the inside as well as, the outside. I think if you are a good person inside, then that will shine on the outside, and that is what makes you a beautiful person. It's not just about what society tells you how to look like. If you're a good person and you're kind and you're beautiful in here, then you're going to be beautiful on the outside as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mia. I really want to say this to you. अगर हमें मियाँ सुन सकती है कि it is like to be the ambassador of lot of other things, जहाँ पर जाकर आप अपना मैसेज सेंड आउट करते हैं, लोगों को हाईलाइट होकर एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी होकर जिसको लोग जानते हैं, जब वो राइट मैसेज सेंड करता है वो राइट लोगों तक जाता है। तो ये जो पेजेंट्स का एक बहुत अहम उनकी जिम्मेदारी उनके ऊपर डाली जाती है वो पूरी करती हैं, जो कि बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।